Without adequate air circulation, uncomfortable hot and cold zones appear throughout your home. Breville engineers have developed a range of air circulators that turn indoor environments into more comfortable living spaces by keeping air in constant motion. Automatic vertical and horizontal oscillation operate independently for directed airflow, or in sync to create 3D air circulation for year-round comfort. The Air Dynamic 3D features 9 blades for rapid, smooth airflow and whisper-quiet operation. Choose a constant airspeed, turbo speed for maximum airflow, or natural mode to recreate gentle breezes indoors. Use Smart Eco mode to automatically adjust fan speed depending on room temperature. Breville air circulators can be controlled directly using the remote control or from anywhere using the Breville Home Connect app, so you can feel comfortable the moment you walk in the door.